I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If you're new here, my name is Trisha and welcome. Today we're going to be decorating the entry and the guest bathroom for Christmas. I'm excited to add some holiday cheer to these spaces and hopefully I can give you guys some good ideas to decorate your space. So let's get to decorating the entry and the guest bathroom for Christmas. I got this little pick here at Joann's. It wasn't for the season or anything, just a regular pick. So I usually use this for every day, but then I just added a few little things, a few little Christmas picks that had fallen off of other stuff. I thought it'd be cute to just stick these in there. And this is from Bath & Body Works. So I'll leave a gap here. Probably about 4-inch gap here. And instead of folding it over the bar here, we're just gonna wrap it like this. And you could just do one, or you could do 2 sets. I got these bells on Amazon. I'll link those in the description box. If I can't find the exact same thing, I'll find something that's similar. I just added some black velvet ribbon here and the same gold mesh that I used on my tree upstairs. So I'm just gonna hook that right on the hook, right on the top of there. And I'm just gonna add these, they look like sticks with snow on them. I'm just gonna add these picks to the base. Add a couple of books for height. And these two items are from Target. And this is a candle from Target. It is Hearth and Hand Pumice, and I think it smells so good. Here we go with the entry, guys. I think it turned out really pretty. Very inviting, and I love the colors. There's a couple items I used here today on Amazon, and I'll link those all in the description. Hi. I hope you guys enjoyed my entryway and guest bathroom Christmas decor video. I hope you guys have a great day. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.